Hi, my name is Chuck Porter, and I would like to thank the League of Women Voters for the opportunity to address the citizens of Allegheny County as it relates to the upcoming May election. With respect to cash bond, my position is cash bond should never be used to hold someone in jail simply because they cannot afford to post a bail. If one feels that a person is a danger to the community or a flight risk, conditions can be imposed to address that. Otherwise, cash bail should not be set that would prevent people from making a bond. Having said that, as I've said before, cash bond is essentially a red herring in this election. All the candidates are talking about it. The reality is the bonds are set by the magisterial district judges. We have a mechanism in Allegheny County for an appeal of that bond. That appeal goes to the motions judge of the Court of Common Pleas, and the motions judge addresses the bond issues. So common pleas court judges in Allegheny County, with the exception of the motions judge, are not addressing the bond issues. So for people to talk about this with great regularity, it's just trying to basically ask voters to recognize them for an issue they're never going to address almost without fail. The use of specialty courts in Allegheny County is of critical importance and is one of the best things I've recognized in my 36 years of practicing in the courts of common pleas of Allegheny County. We have probably 95% of the crimes that come before the courts have a drug, alcohol, or mental health component to them. Giving people who have offended in those areas the ability to get treatment is, in my mind, an extremely important opportunity and obligation that we have as a society. If we can help people who have a mental health, drug, or alcohol problem get back on the right path, then it's critically important and is certainly a better option than incarceration for such people. The use of veterans court, in my mind, is also an extremely important court because, as we all know and recognize, veterans are the ones who have given us the ability as Americans to have the system of justice that we have. And it's extremely important to give those folks who have fought for us the ability to treat whatever problems they have encountered given the service they've given to our country. So that's critically important. Restorative justice is another component that can work in certain circumstances where it's an appropriate circumstance not to re-victimize a victim by giving them and the accused the ability to interact. Thank you.